This is a really quick and easy dinner that we like to make with a rotisserie chicken from Costco. Just melt some butter in a pan. I put a little flour in the pan just to create a little roux, and I do let it cook over a low heat just so that it gets rid of that flour taste. You'll know it's done when it starts turning a little golden brown. And then all I do is I just add some water and I'm just filling it up to approximately the level of gravy that I want. Then put some bouillon. This time I used Better Than Bouillon chicken stock, but any bouillon will do. Then add some spices, any one that you prefer. I normally use garlic salt, pepper, and I do add in Worcestershire sauce. And then stir. You just want to keep this on a low heat and stir till all the clumps are gone. It's really easy to make. And then once the gravy is done, I pour it into a dish and add the shredded chicken. Then I add in vegetables. Today I had sliced mushrooms and frozen vegetables from the freezer, and it's done.